Hey, since already several people have addressed the performance problem, I am recording a video with a simple solution to this problem. It will help you not only with my shader, but in general, will help you solve performance problems for cycles. I tested this on my RTX 2080 video card as well as the GTX 1060. In both the first and second cases, I got excellent results. I also want to say that the number of polygons does not affect the performance of the shader. That is, the performance on a simple figure will be the same as on a complex one. I will demonstrate this later. The video was made in real time without acceleration. You can see for yourself the performance. Once again, I want to remind you that my shader is completely procedural. To achieve the best image quality, I had to use a large number of nodes. For this reason, performance on EEVEE is low. The shader will work on EEVEE but with bugs. The performance on cycles is good enough. If you need EEVEE exactly, then you need to bake the result. So, the first thing you need to do is make sure that you have the video card render enabled in the settings. Then you need to enable GPU rendering in the Render Properties tab. For comfortable work, I also strongly recommend using the Optix Denoiser, or if you have a Radeon, Open Image Denoiser. If you still have poor performance, reduce the preview window or constrain the render area. Again, the video was made in real time without acceleration. You can see for yourself the performance.